Lemon. Lemon is good for cleaning, and helps to disappear blackheads and dark spots within days. Because it contains high-quality oxidants and vitamin C. Here are the main benefits of lemon. Lemon contains acids that stimulate the removal of various bacteria and microbes. The main substance of lemon juice is hydrochloric acid. It helps to get rid of dead cells faster. It also stimulates the emergence of new species. The acid in the lemon removes all the excess fat from the skin. Lemon juice is used as a natural bleach. If you have pigment spots, they can be easily destroyed with citrus fruits. When the lemon dries, it creates an extra barrier against acne. Rubbing the skin with lemon helps to get rid of redness. Cleans pores. Helps smooth out blemishes. Gets rid of greasy shine. Lemon and honey mask. How to make lemon and honey mask. It is one of the easiest and fastest ways to prepare natural face masks. Mix a teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask for 5 minutes and rinse. Now see the magic.